So tomorrow's race day, and I just happened to look inside my rear to check the fluid level, and I noticed that my pilot pinion bearing is just gone. It's not even there. Just got smashed to bits. So I'm scrambling here, gonna go grab a piece. There's a machinist downtown who's got a piece of bronze for me, and I'm gonna machine up a bushing quick that'll fit in there to get me through. In fact, it might just stay in there because these bearings don't hold up. This rear that I have, it's a 14 bolt, but it's actually running backwards because because I have the rear engine design. So it's running on the coast side of the ring and pinion, which means there's more deflection, especially when you take a hard hit, and it just smashes this pilot bearing to pieces. So I'm going to go see if I can get that replaced with a bronze bushing, and hope I can get it all put back together before the race. So here's a close-up of the pinion, and you can see that pilot bearing rides right on there. It's just a needle bearing. In fact, that's pretty scored up, but we're just gonna have to put a Band-Aid on there and try and make it through one race, it's not a terribly long race, so should be fine. You can see there's some of the pieces that have come out of here. There's the old bearing race. All right, so I got the old bearing race out and went down to the local machine shop, got myself a piece of bronze, and got it machined to fit. So I had to get creative here because the pinion gear actually interferes with the hole with getting the bearing race out, and I didn't want to have to pull my wheels and axles and everything and drop the ring gear in order to do this because I'm in a hurry. So I was able to loosen off that bearing block right there and twist that just a little bit with the axle still in there, just enough to get the clearance that I need to get this out. So I thought about machining a little flat on this so that it would clear it, but I don't know about that. I don't know if that's a good idea, so I'm just gonna put it back in there the way it is. I left a little bit of extra clearance on the pinion here because it's scored and I don't want to end up spinning this bushing in there. So it's got just a little bit of clearance and about 3/4 thousandths clearance, and we're gonna put it all back together and go race. All right, there it is installed. Ended up being a perfect fit in there nice and snug. So I'm pretty happy with how this came together. As long as everything goes back together easily, I'll be able to get on the road here without even being too late. So there it is. Here's a few clips from the race before my GoPros got covered in mud.
can see that the bushing got pretty hot. It's wearing pretty excessively due to the fact that the rear end is pretty well worn out, and that the pinion is scored, so it's going to wear that bushing a lot faster. I'm going to have to rebuild the whole rear and make myself some new bushings when I get a chance. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.